Dino here, and today we're going to be replacing some door handles on this Pontiac Vibe GT. So pretty much every door panel that you're going to be removing on most any vehicle is just going to be snapped on, but it'll have a couple of screws. This door has a screw right here and in here. You're going to want to be careful when you pull the snaps off because some doors are old, all that stuff might be fragile. So the door panel's off the vehicle and you might want to release the connectors. This one only has one plug. So under the door panel, you're gonna have this plastic. Some cars have a foam, but all of them have like this really tarry stuff. So on this vehicle, I'm able to very carefully pull down and it'll come off. Some other vehicles, what I usually do is I just run a razor blade just around the edge a little bit as I'm pulling it, and I'm able to pull it off without ripping it. This particular door requires me to get in through here, so I need to remove this cover, and then the handle will slide off in this direction. Now those are out, I'm just gonna release this electrical connector, and this unit will be able to fall down inside of the door. Now we're able to see the bolt that we have to release. Now we're able to pull this cap off and be wary of that screw. The handle comes out in this direction. Let's make sure to remove all of the broken pieces of the old handle. So here's the new handle. On this model, it's quite simple how it goes back in. We're just gonna, I might need two hands for this. So as you saw, it clicks right in, it goes in like this, and then you just slide it over. And now we can put the new cap on it, and make sure you have this gasket on there too. I just kind of let it hang until everything's said and done, then I align it. Just lift the door lock back into place. Don't forget the screws. We should probably test it, right? Cool. Cool guys, so that's how you change the door handles on a Pontiac Vibe GT. Catch me next time with more repair videos.